Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify store to Facebook. So the first step is to simply go to your Shopify dashboard and then simply click on settings, and then you have to simply go to apps and sales channels, and then here you have to simply click on Shopify App Store, and then here you have to simply search for Facebook and then install this free app, and you'll have to make sure that the developer is Meta, and then you'll have to simply click on install, and after that you'll have to simply log into your Facebook account, and then Shopify will have to review your account, and they'll have to approve for you in order to start selling on your Facebook account. As you can see, you're gonna have to connect your Facebook account, and then basically you have to simply click on submit for review, and then Shopify will review, and then you can start selling your Shopify products to your Facebook account. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.